In this video, you are going to learn how to know if your order has been received by your shipping company warehouse in China. Step-by-step tutorial using 1688. Okay, well, before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm a procurement and importation coach. If you want to contact me for importation business, you can contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorial about importation business. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how to know if your order has been received by your shipping company warehouse in China using 1688. So the first thing you want to do is to head over to your 1688 app. So I'm going to click on here to access my 1688 account. Then the next thing you want to do is to click on here to access your profile. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on here. So it's going to take you to all the products that is on transit, just like what you see right here. All these products here, they were on transit. So I will choose one of the products right here and show you when your order has been received by your shipping company warehouse in China. Okay. So right here, I'm going to use this order. So I will click on the order right here. And the next thing I'm going to do is to click on here. Right here, make sure you click here. So it's going to open up this way. So right here, you can see whenever you see things like this, it simply means that this parcel, this order has been signed by your shipping company. The product has been received by your shipping company. This is just a sign that your order has been received, and you just have to contact your shipping company with the order tracking number for a proper update and confirmation by your shipping company. So this is how to know if your shipping company has been received the parcel on your behalf into their warehouse in China. I hope you really got value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorial like this about importation business. If you want to contact me for importation business related, you can contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.